sorry, you people just wait, chill more, We're almost done. Yeah? Just small time, The transaction we are doing, our daughter to track it. You know time, everything is going to clear, yeah? Though, is this work? It's too hard.
Hey! I want to see Bode.
Hey! Who are you telling hey now?
I said, hey! I want to see Bode.
Okay, you too, hey! Who do you want to see? Can you just walk into some office? I don't know the Bode you are talking of. If it's Bode your younger brother, it's not work here. If it's Bode your neighbor, it's not work here. If it's Bode will have yes, Mr. Bode our old person, and he needs the MD, and he's busy. Please, you have to sit down and wait for your turn.
Are you done ranting?
Before, all these people here, they have done, but they are still waiting for their own turn. It's due process.
Whatever.
Please. You don't come inside somebody else because you are hot. You thought that you want to see Bode, you go just sit down. Because everybody here too, they are waiting to see the MD and they have followed the process. Don't worry now. Me your day, see. No, the MD, before you see the MD, but you got to go through me now. Now me final protocol, you won't follow the process now. Yeah, that's me. All at me, you understand? Me your side.
Hey! You keep saying
on the phone now, don't lie. Who are disturbing me? Can you just wait small? Because that this person talking to me now is also on the queue. Don't relax. I don't lie. Not best. Now one checkers now we want the my chairman. Not the ground.
Did you actually keeping me waiting?
Was that not answer you before?
You know what? I don't even have time for your kind of person. I don't blame you. Let me just put a call through. Let's see who lose a job right here.
Job? Oh, you want to remove me for here? Not so I want to come on Jonathan. I'm not rich. I cannot succeed. It will not work. Let's see.
These people are not qualified. Just give them jobs to better their lives. They sit here and misbehave.
So wait, madam, how do you want to call this telephone? Look at your name here. It's low battery. That's what God save your name. Low battery, never level. Question. What I do about it? Look, your name here, low battery, meaning don't level. MD has traveled to Turkey. I'm the new MD here.
Wait a minute. But this is not in town. I kept me waiting for this long.
Before uncle. I didn't now you now know that who is the boss. I didn't know that I'm the shaman now.
You are so very annoying.
Hey! To you too. Come on, my Is it not peppering you now? You people here that you have already seen the kind of situation do my enter. If you know that you cannot follow due process, you leave here. You understand? Yeah,
The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live, your daddy's second chapter, is coming up on Sunday, March 22nd at the Musan Center. Comedy by Gandoki, Gardons, AY, Acapella, Akbarov, Danny Humor, J-Lo, Helen Paul, Princess, Music by Inyanya, Orisha Femi, Casey, Runtown, Scales, Reminisce, Black Magic, Harry Song, Ray, YJ, Vector, Pato Ranking, Keys Daniel, Skooky, MC Galaxy, Joel, Eva, The Vintage Band, DJ Poppy, and DJ Drex. Gate fee, regular 5,000 Naira, VIP 10,000 Naira, table for 10, 300,000 Naira. Venue, Musan Center. Show starts at 5 p.m. Tickets are now available at Delta Kitchen, Bogday Thama, The Prince Supermarket, Bagada, H&K Interiors, Admiralty Way, Lekki, Yums Hair and Clothing, 27 Fola Osibo, Lekki, Niger FM, 26 Cafe Street, Ikoyi, or visit www.cocoba.com, ariatickets.com, rialadirect.com, or call 0802 9906 for more information. The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live is proudly supported by